Web3 TV.
Hello and welcome to Web3 TV. I'm Lisa Amnegard, and today we're at the Dubai AI Festival. And joining me right now is Johan Wadenholt, CEO of Voxo. So thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
And you just got off the stage, so can you tell me a little bit more about the key takeaways from your panel discussion?
Definitely. So we were talking about how the workforce is going to be affected by AI. So we talked a lot about all of the superpowers that AI is kind of providing to people today, but also the stress that people are feeling about, like, everybody's supposed to be an AI expert these days, so people don't really have the ability to focus on their like core competences.
So how should they be focusing on their competences, and how is AI impacting that?
I mean, I think it's inevitable that you need to be a little bit, at least, you have to have knowledge about AI these days. But also it's a lot of burden that should be on the company to give you the tools that you need, because as customer support manager, you're not supposed to go and research AI models. That should be the company saying, you should be using this model or something like that. So definitely.
And at Voxo, you kind of can help with that, right? So
yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit more about what you guys are doing and how you're benefiting companies?
Yeah, definitely. So we are a Swedish tech company. So for the last 7 years, we've been analyzing different types of conversations, phone calls, email chats for big companies. But now the last 2 years, we're working with events. So we're capturing everything that's happening at the event. We're analyzing it real time and creating ready-to-market material about the summaries, the AI reports, everything that happens at the event. So it saves a huge amount of time for the event organizer. As a speaker, I can just post it on LinkedIn seconds after I'm off stage. And as a participant, you get an AI report. So you don't have to build your PowerPoint to the company when you're leaving the event. So there's a lot of values.
I just saw one of the reports that you just showed me about your panel discussion, and it's really impressive. So this is for events, but are there any other industries where this could be used?
I mean, definitely. We're already analyzing all of the customer support and sales calls. So we're using that technology for events now. But in general, the conversation analytics technology is for every conversation that you have. It's just that events have been an untapped source. Mm-hmm. There's so much work after an event creating the marketing material. But with services such as our service, you get like 4 or 5 months of ready-to-post marketing material just out of the box.
And how does it work? So there are AI bots listening to the discussions, or how does it work?
Yeah, so we tap into the sound, either send it to us or we have small devices. But more than that, I mean, it's a 5-minute setup, and then our servers and our engines are just listening in, building that intelligence, creating those reports, and then sending it out in real time. So
wow, it's really impressive. And you speak all over the world. You were just in Vegas, and you're based out of Sweden. So what are your thoughts on Dubai and the AI landscape here?
Now, I think it's a vibrant landscape. You see so many good startups that I've met with during these days. I also think it is a great hub for capital. And one of the things that is often the hinder to do something creative is that you need capital. You need to get those funds. So I think it has great potential, and I think it's owning up to this AI capital that is trying to be at, especially in this part of the world.
Yeah, definitely. Well, I know that you're very busy, so I'm not going to keep you any longer. It was a pleasure speaking with you, and I'm excited to see how Voxo evolves.
Thank you so much, and thank you for having me.
And I'll be bringing you more interviews. My name is Lisa Amnegard, and you're watching Web3 TV.